In this video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space character. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here, I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. Print the result. Here, every line begins with space character. We are going to combine two spaces, and those lines are gradually increasing from 0 to 8 that we can achieve by using I. First line is 0, there in the second line 2 space, third line 4, fourth line 6, and fifth line 8 space character. These space characters are appended with number character starting from 1. I plus 1 is going to give us 1, and the number character is appended with a single space character. Here we need to concat I plus 1 with string. In the first line there are 5 ones, so 5 minus I is going to give us 5 ones, then 4 2s, then 3 3s, then 2 4s, and 5 1. So run this file in the terminal py triangle.py. We can see we are able to print the required left angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of left angle number triangle pattern.